go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden.
Hi and welcome to Boat McRill, YouTube channel about do-it-yourself projects and renovations of a powerboat. I've started out doing this channel in Swedish. That's my native language, but decided to go out internationally with this. So I need to fill you up a little bit about what's happened before this first English spoken episode. First of all, earlier this year I bought a 30-foot powerboat, an Albin 30, that I brought up from south of Stockholm. And there's some work that has to be done on it. It's some parts are in pretty bad condition. The engine is really good. It's a TAMD 41A, a Volvo Penta. Boat as such is pretty good, but there is some woodworks and other that needs to be taken care of. So this is actually where you are right now. This is my, could call it the makeshift workshop. And in here that I'm standing at right now, that is the roof of the doghouse, or the area where you can sit and drive. We figured out that there was some problems with it. It's a 2 parts fiberglass with wooden core. Somewhere in time there has been getting water inside of there and the core has rotten up, so we have to take care of that. In the last episode, the first episode of this series about this roof, we opened up as much as we could on the port side, removed some rims and stuff, and opened up and started to bring out wood that had decomposed. We will open up this in half, remove this right side, or what you can say is left side, and then start to bring out all the rest of the bad wood that's in there. They are glued in there with probably some Sikaflex. Yep. And they broke, of course. See if I can save the other one. They are kind of brittle, but yeah. See what we can do with this. That one. So the next thing that I need to get done is to try and separate this as much as possible, and then actually trying to get a line. I believe that I won't need to remove more than half of it, so from middle over here straight up, and that will be a pretty long cut with a fane, but I think it will work out fine. First of all, I'm just going to try to figure out more or less where the center of this is. Something like that. when you were all away for a little while, I did remove lots of the decomposed wood. We're starting to get into the fresh wood over here, but I decided to remove all the wood up onto the center line here. So I have to, because it's laminated over here, I just have to keep working on it, and I will use my fane to try and fane away as much as possible of the old wood. Okay, everybody, the plan today was to try to finish removing of the wood from the doghouse roof, but as you see, there is still some work to be done. Most of it is gone, but yep, that's it. It's still pretty tacky to the roof, so have to keep working on it tomorrow. Everybody, please remember to give me the thumbs up if you like the movies I have put out so far. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and see you next time. Bye. So it's time for a unboxing. I got this box here from Joakim Israelsson from 3D Custom Parts up in Gävle here in Sweden. He has a company that makes special things constructed from CAD drawings and stuff like that. He's mainly into engine parts, and this is something for a Volvo Penta MD41 or 31 to 41, the series. So let's open my knife. So, let's see what we have here. It's an air kit from 3D Custom Parts, and some explanations about 3D Custom Parts. They got CNC machines, 3D printers, CAD drawings, engine parts, and stuff like that. Ooh, nice. Look at this. A new air filter for my TAMD41, my Volvo Penta engine that I have in Boat McRill. I got some hose for it. Here's a seal. This is actually a 3D Custom Parts special designed plug when you remove the filter for the gases coming from the oil and the crankshaft, you remove the filter and you put this plug in there. And of course, ta-da, a special custom part for the engine. So what's really special with this kit is actually this, as I showed you before, this plug. This kit is for doing a remodel of the crankcase ventilation. There has been some problems on the MD31 and 41 Volvo Penta engines. So you can see here is a new filter for this and this case. And this plug actually removes, if you remove the old filter and put this plug in there instead, and that's 3D custom part special design. And when you do that, you can manage to get a new filter on, and this one is a cleanable filter. I'm going to mount all this on my TAMD41A engine that I have. So see you soon.